We all carry burdens, past hurts, unspoken words, and the weight of grievances can cloud our hearts and hold us captive. But within each of us lies the power to break free, the power of forgiveness. Today, we delve into a Zen story, a whisper of wisdom reminding us that letting go can be the key to finding peace. In a secluded mountain village lived a young woman named Akiko. Haunted by a past betrayal, her heart burned with anger and resentment. Every day, she carried a heavy stone, a physical manifestation of the pain she refused to release. One day, a wandering Zen master arrived in the village. Sensing Akiko's turmoil, he offered a simple challenge: climb the highest peak and place the stone there, a symbolic act of letting go. Akiko hesitated. The climb was arduous, and the thought of parting with her pain was terrifying. But the master's words echoed in her mind: true freedom lies not in clinging to the past, but in releasing it. With a deep breath, Akiko began her ascent. As she climbed, the world around her transformed. The wind whispered secrets of forgiveness, the sun kissed away tears of anger, and the vastness of the sky mirrored the potential for healing within her. Each step, a release; each breath, a letting go. Finally, she reached the summit. Standing before the breathtaking vista, she grasped the stone, now light as a feather. Tears streamed down her face, not of pain, but of release. With a gentle hand, she placed the stone on the mountaintop, a silent goodbye to the past. Akiko's journey is a testament to the power of forgiveness. It is not about condoning the past, but about freeing ourselves from its grip. Let go of anger, resentment, and the need for closure. Forgive yourself, forgive others, and embrace the peace that awaits.